If you're looking to start fresh with your WordPress site, whether you want a clean slate for a new project or simply need to wipe out your old content, today I'm going to walk you through how to completely reset your WordPress site. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to revert your site back to its default state safely and confidently, so you can begin again without any leftover data or clutter slowing you down. Let's dive right in. So first things first, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel, and from here we want to get to the settings area. You'll find settings usually on the left sidebar, near the bottom if you're using the WordPress.com interface. Click on Settings, and you'll see several different sections you can adjust, but for our purposes today, we're headed to the General section. Once you're in General, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Don't be alarmed if it takes a moment to find. WordPress includes a lot of settings here for more experienced users, but you don't need to worry about most of them right now. Once you hit the bottom, look for an option that says Manage Gift Subscriptions, Ownership, and Other Site Tools, with a little arrow pointing you over to WordPress.com settings. This is your gateway to more advanced management tools, and it's where the Reset option lives. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a new section or possibly even open a new tab depending on your browser. This page controls a few higher-level aspects of your site, and it's designed for serious actions like transferring ownership, managing subscriptions, and most importantly for today, resetting your site. Now take a deep breath here. Resetting a site is a big deal. It's like wiping a whiteboard completely clean. All of your posts, pages, menus, themes, and even uploaded media will be removed, and everything will be restored to the defaults. So if you've got anything important you want to save, make sure to back it up before moving ahead. When you're ready, look for the Reset Site button. This one's pretty prominent. WordPress wants to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Click Reset Site. Most of the time, you'll be prompted to confirm this decision. You might see a little window pop up or a box requiring you to type in your site domain for confirmation. This is just an extra safeguard. WordPress doesn't want you to reset your entire site by accident, and honestly, that's a good thing. Go ahead and confirm following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Once you confirm, your WordPress site will be wiped clean and reverted to its original state, like a brand new site. Don't worry if this takes a few moments. Sometimes there's a bit of processing time, depending on how much content you had. Remember, if you're doing this because you want to rebuild, you're starting with a blank canvas now. You can install new themes, create fresh content, and set things up exactly how you want them, without old settings getting in the way. If you had any trouble with these steps, or if you want more tips on managing your WordPress site, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I always love seeing your questions and feedback. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a like, and if you'd like more tutorials and guides about WordPress and other web tools, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new start.